Hi there, I'm Dr. John Trowbridge in Houston, Texas. I've been a specialist in integrative medical techniques for over 40 years. I specialize obviously in helping people who have serious problems where they are losing their capabilities, their functions. Obviously, one of the important ones is vision. Actually, think about how if you had to get around your house without any vision after having had it before, you would realize what a limitation that would be. However, with regard to the vision event, I want to remind you, with regard from my point of view, you do not have a problem with your vision. Yeah, I mean, you're not able to see as well as you might want to and so on, but what you have is a problem with interference of your vision functions, either by chemical toxicity, heavy metal toxicity, or other interferences to normal function, like, for instance, nutritional deficiencies. Now, other speakers are going to address some of these. I'm going to give you my own personal slant, but I'm going to give it to you from a perspective of having, well, let me give you two stories. Nice older lady comes to visit, and she is very frustrated because she can no longer thread her needle in order to do her needlepoint activities. And after doing our various things, including chelation therapy for removal of toxic metals, balancing her nutritional status, and a whole bunch of things like that allow your body to resume normal functions, she was very happy that she was able again to thread her needle and do activities she enjoyed. Had another fellow come in, and after a while we were having a follow-up meeting, and I said, "Oh, could you do me a favor?" And he says, "Sure." And I said, I closed the chart and I pushed it over to him, and I said, "Could you read what it says right down here?" He says, "Oh, it says patient is clinically blind." Now read the name. Whose chart is that? Oh, he says, "It's my chart." Right. I'm rather believing your vision is dramatically improved with the detoxification treatments we're doing, helping you with heavy toxic metals, chemical imbalances, and nutritional deficiencies. And so here's what I'm saying is, we often think there are very simplistic reasons to reach for a particular solution. And we define that solution based on what we assume our problem is. So if you think you're having vision problems, you go to a vision doctor. But what if you really don't have vision problems? What you have is interferences in the normal vision function you have had in your past. Glasses aren't fixing it, contact lenses, special drops, whatever. And so the reason you should attend this vision event, now I'm talking about, all 4 weekends of this vision event, is to get the big picture, to see what is available now, today, in helping you regain much more normal vision and maintain that for many years to come. So can we say we're going to definitely help you? No. Can we say we're definitely going to try? Yes, because each of the speakers in this vision event has years and years, dozens of years often, in helping people regain their visual function. So I would invite you to come along. Certainly sign up for all of the lectures. Make it a real point in your life to attend these, because you could possibly learn the key to unlock the future, the solution that you have been looking for. After all, that's what we've done for many, many patients for over 40 years. I would invite you to join us. Remember, I'm Dr. John Trowbridge from Houston. I will be one of the featured speakers. My guests, my colleagues are like me, experienced in what we do. Come along and join it. This is going to be an incredible bargain when you join us, in terms of what you could learn for your future that you will not be hearing from other doctors, other, internet websites, and so on. The vision event. Sign up today. I'll see you then.